I flip my hair and I backed it up on them. I be the reason why the party is going. The Legion team that melanin keep a passion fruit type of glowing. He be like, I can tell you got Indian in that potion. Kick it back, the DJ be going. Don't let me get the moving, they gon' see all types of motion. That jiggle, that soul shit, that T-wine, even if it's to a big pun hit. I gets down and all my people know this. They be like, Kiki, we can't do it like you the coldest. I respect them split hitters and them back throwers, but you won't catch me dancing on a post somewhere in Shimoya. That backdoor country type shit for your uncle. But I'll have them breaking their necks like they done seen a rumble.
How you like the sound?
How you want it, how you like the sound? Booty bouncing, toe touching, I need a crown. Two-stepping with the doo-doo brown. House parties, kicks backs, they all the same. Niggas looking for the bitches so they don't complain. Homegirls be worried about what the DJ about to play. We get sick and moody cause we got the drink. While niggas looking at each other with a stupid face, trying to get me to lead a party, do it look like my middle name is disgrace. Nah, I just be having these niggas willing to catch a case.
Okay.
How you want it, how you like the sound? Yeah, he like the way I do the doo-doo brown. Bang, 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 hitting the move while my hip shape change, causing a crash right through them James. Party shit ain't changed, see why I got these niggas scared to call out other bitches' name. Cause I'm the shit, it's legit between my style and my scent. Be having these bitches throwing a fit. Pink eye or red eye is the excuse they sticking with.
Who you speaking with? Who you tweaking with? Bitch, walk up in this bitch, you know we got you tweaking, bitch.
Alright.
Let the beat come on. I said, bitch, let the beat come on, bitch. I got you going home. What the fuck you mean I got you tweaking going home?
Hey, I think I like this song.
And now you giving down. How the fuck you got teeth but ain't got no gums? Bitch, but ain't got no gums. How the fuck you thick but ain't got no toes? Bitch, and now you going home. Bitch, and now you giving down, bitch. Get the whole hood down. What the fuck you mean, bitch? No, you ain't going home. Get the fuck out. What the fuck you mean, bitch? You is my fucking spouse. Get the fuck out, bitch. I said your breath stink. You was not my type. I said your breath stink. You was my type. I said your breath ain't.
Yes, sir. Alright. You fucking shit. Nigga, what you mean? Cause I'm talking shit. Nigga, when your check up. Cause it really is. Nigga, what you mean, huh? Cause I take your bitch. Take her back to my room. Cause I'll fuck that shit. Nah, my kid. Nigga, where the checks? Nigga, where the bitches? Nigga, where the fucking stitches? Where your battle wounds from your niggas? Wait, nigga, where your battle wounds from your niggas? Where you fighting? Nigga, what you mean? You a shooter? I'm just really fighting.
Yeah. What the fuck, nigga? What that last name? We ain't buying it. Nigga come through right here, you was dying, bitch. Thought this nigga in his mouth, he was talking shit. I am not one of these rap niggas, you a hoe. When I'm through with the kick down the kick down your shit, nigga. Yeah, we want your shit. Hold on. Alright. Kick down your door, nigga. We really want your chain. Nigga, you want some icy shit? Hit up Johnny Dang. Yeah, my niggas really rap. We don't want no fame. We just trying to make that shit for them hoes coochie. Ooh. Let's hear that.